We've got a real treat for all of us today. A 1959 Square Bird convertible, beautiful Brandywine Red, completely restored, red leather interior. It's air conditioned, power windows, power seats. Just a stunning car. Wire wheels. We get a lot of Chevelles, Camaros come through here. It's really nice to see something like this too. Go to volocars.com and that's where you can look at all the photos top to bottom, read the description, and that's where you'll find the price tag along with a monthly finance option on this car and every car we have for sale. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the next one's posted. For right now, let's go for a spin. Yeah, I just couldn't pass this car up. It's just beautiful. Cruising in a car like this, you're going to feel like $1,000,000. So the front end was completely rebuilt. All the bushings, ball joints, shocks, it all looks like it's been replaced. In back, it looks like new shocks. It looks like new bushings too, because the bolts look new in the springs. New dual exhaust system. They did a really nice job. It's all tucked up under there, little turn down tips. You don't see any exhaust hanging down. It sounds real nice. You'll hear it towards the end of the video. Brakes have been redone, and they actually upgraded it. They put disc in the front. You look up at the motor. It's still fresh. It's claimed that the motor was rebuilt, and it looks and runs that way. You can see fresh freeze plugs, the fuel pump, the starter all looks fresh. It's a Cruise-O-Matic transmission that also looks fresh. Like it also claimed to be rebuilt, and I have no reason to doubt that. The rear end has been apart. It's a 3.1-to-0 ratio, and the bolts and everything's fresh on the outside, and it works real well. Fuel system was replaced. The tank, the straps, the sending unit, that's new. Underneath the car is real solid. So everything underneath is good, orderly, clean, proper. Now the body. The body is amazing. You got all the lines and gaps. They're square, they're flush. It is absolutely straight. Got a lot of design features. You got a hood scoop. This is all real nice, square, flush, straight. It's all looking good. Look how everything lines up so nicely. Lines up straight, square. Now, I was going to get to it when I talk about the paint. There are bubbles in the paint. They must have had a bad reaction to something. There are bubbles, including down here along the bottom. There's a few. But this door lines up really nicely. Square and flush. This is all smooth and straight. Shuts real nice. This is all real nice. The fender skirts fit really well. Again, absolutely straight. All lines up real nice. Now we'll show you in a little while, but this lid actually opens and then the power top comes out. Got little tail fins here. Again, a lot of design features. I mean, look at this trunk, the way it's shaped. It's just very cool, very unique, real attention getter. Absolutely straight. Everything fits very nicely. Door lines up beautifully. So the body looks to be in excellent shape. It is, according to the tag, a Brandywine Red paint job. It's a beautiful color. Under these lights, if you're looking for the flaws, there are bubbles, like I said, and issues with the paint. Standing next to the car, especially out in the sunlight, it's just stunning. I've seen those issues. I knew about those issues before I bought the car. The rest of the car impressed me so much, I had to move forward with it. So just in different places, there's little pimply, blistery places in the paint. There's a few right in here, a little bit right there. Overall, it's very smooth and glossy. Said they had some sort of reaction with something when the car was painted. Here's some right here. So I'm not trying to pull any punches. There are imperfections in the paint. Right here's a little spot of them. But again, the car is just so impressive. People aren't going to notice that. Right here's a spot. All the chrome was redone. It's obvious to me someone spent a lot of money redoing this car. All this chrome looks like it's all been redone. The handles, the trim on the sides. Back bumpers are beautiful, even between the taillights here, all that's real nice. The lenses, all this is really nice and clean, shiny. All fits real well. And of course, it has the chrome wire wheels with the spinners, and it has reproduction, or I should say radial whitewall tires. And I know whoever did this car wasn't being cheap, because they even bought a fifth one for a spare, which we'll show you in a little while. The glass is all in real nice shape. Windshield looks good. Actually, it's probably the original windshield. Here's a little light scratch. Here's a little chip on the surface. The rubber gasket was replaced. It's got the dual mirrors looking really sharp. The Thunderbird logo in the fender trim right there. Front bumper, a big open mouth. It looks like the mouth of a bass. It's all shiny, nice chrome. Looks like the antenna might be broke off. It's clean, smooth right here. I think that's snapped off. So there's the outside. Let's open it up. I'd like to show you the inside. So in 1959, there's actually a button under the dash that released the lid. So the lid is manually opened. And this would be your trunk space and where the convertible top is stored. There we go. And you can see it's all been painted. The system is restored and working real nice. It's a tan convertible top that looks new. The rubber's new. You can see pictures of that on our website. Here's that fifth tire and wheel that I talked about. Again, it tells me the guy wasn't cheap to spend the money on a wire wheel and a radial tire. Looks like a new power top pump, and then it has the gray and white lining package, which looks really nice. The Weatherstrips are replaced. So very nice, clean trunk compartment. Door jambs are painted real nice. Weatherstrips and sill plates are replaced. Door panel, that's a new reproduction door panel in excellent shape. And I want to say everything fits nice. I've seen cars with a lot of new parts in them, and they're loose and falling off. But this is all in excellent shape. Look how nice this stuff is. The gauges. This is what made me proceed the purchase of the car. Quartz movement in the clock. This dash pad must be new. It's mint, and again, it fits right. Air-conditioned car, so it has this vent that normally they don't. Retro stereo with the original style knobs. The little Thunderbird decal fell off, apparently. Glove box doors, real nice. The liner is new. Look at the kick panels. Thunderbird floor mats. The carpet, nice bright red carpet, looks brand new. Heater control knobs. Light works. All of this is excellent shape. Power window switches. It's all like a white ivory color or bakelite plastic on the knobs and switches. Steering wheel's in excellent shape except for a chip in the paint, but it's not cracked. Look at the little shift indicator right here. It's pretty cool. Now the seats, leather. Again, someone was not cheap. They're all rebuilt, recushioned. This is all genuine leather, not just the fronts, but the sides. Everything is leather. White stitching, white piping. And they're also power seats, both of them. Even the passenger seat's a power seat, and they actually work. The back seat also, this all genuine glove soft leather. You got seat belts front and back. The side armrest. Everything inside this car is really mint. Really nice. The visors, a day and night mirror. The engine compartment is beautiful. It's a 352 with 300 horsepower. There's a 4-barrel carburetor hiding underneath that big chrome air cleaner. Looks like they did re-chrome the air cleaner, the valve covers, and the breather tube. upgraded Willwood master cylinder for the brakes. Looks like cadmium plated latches here. The engine bay is all painted. Factory AC system. Has power steering. Over on this side, just like the other side's clean. Look how the wires and hoses are routed properly. The right hose clamps. Just everything about it's real nice in the motor compartment. This car, to me, is absolutely gorgeous. It's my 17-year-old daughter's prom. I'll be leaving shortly. She has a car picked out I'm bringing home. I just sent her pictures of this one, hoping she changes her mind to this one. I love this car. Absolutely beautiful. Only 1,679 miles since the complete restoration. Very impressive car. You're going to notice this. If someone pulls up to the restaurant you're at or into a car show, this is going to be the car that stands out. The quality is amazing. I know I had to apologize for some imperfections in the paint. I don't think it detracts from this car at all. It's impressive. It's beautiful. This is not like restoring a Mustang. This probably costs twice what a Mustang costs to restore. Someone easily spent 6 figures plus redoing this car. So there you go. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions, to help get this delivered to your driveway, to help you finance it. All at volocars.com. Hope you enjoyed the videos. Subscribe. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.